Windows 11 is finally here, and many users are asking, is it free? Should I upgrade? And what are the most important things to know before making the move? In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about Windows 11, from cost and compatibility to features and potential issues. First, let's talk about cost. For most Windows 10 users, the upgrade to Windows 11 is free. Microsoft is offering it as a free update, similar to how Windows 10 was offered to Windows 7 and 8 users. However, there are some exceptions. If your device doesn't meet the minimum requirements or is running an older edition like Windows 7 or 8, you may need to purchase a new license. Next, compatibility is a major factor. Windows 11 has higher system requirements than Windows 10, including a compatible 64-bit processor, 4 GB of RAM or more, 64 GB of storage, UEFI firmware with secure boot, and TPM 2.0. Microsoft provides a PC health check tool that lets you know if your device can run Windows 11. Many older computers, especially laptops older than 5 to 6 years, may not meet these requirements. Now, let's talk about features. Windows 11 has a fresh new design with a centered start menu, rounded corners, and a more modern look. It also comes with performance improvements, better support for virtual desktops, and deeper integration with Microsoft Teams. Gaming has been improved with features like Auto HDR and direct storage for faster load times if you have compatible hardware. However, there are potential drawbacks. Some users may experience software compatibility issues, especially with older programs or drivers. Certain features like the new Start menu and widgets may take some getting used to. Also, some Windows 10 features have been removed or changed, which could affect workflow for power users. So, what should you do? If your PC meets the requirements and you want a modern interface with improved performance and gaming features, Windows 11 is worth considering. If your system is older or critical software may not be fully compatible, it may be wise to wait until updates and patches improve stability. Always back up your data before upgrading to avoid any unexpected issues. In summary, Windows 11 is free for most Windows 10 users, comes with new features and a refreshed interface, but has stricter hardware requirements and some potential compatibility issues. Knowing these key points will help you decide whether to upgrade now or wait. If this video helped you understand Windows 11 and its requirements, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Windows tutorials, reviews, and tech updates. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.